Hello everyone, in this video we will see how can we display a static list of virtual agent topic blocks in greetings. So this is useful where you don't want to show the show me everything button, as well as you want to show only the static list of topic blocks to the end user. Let's quickly jump onto ServiceNow, and you can go to collaboration, and under that you can go to designer, and I have created one topic already called static greeting topic, and you can see the type as setup topic. So remember to do this as well, because we have to select this topic as a greeting topic in the settings. If we go to the flow of this particular topic, you can see I have dragged and dropped a static choice here, and I have given two options, hello world and the USA topic. So user can select any of these two topic blocks and proceed further. And in the decision box you can see I have given the condition as if list of topic was selected by end user as hello world, the hello world topic will run, and if the user selects the USA topic, the USA topic will run. One thing to note here is the hello topic and the USA topic, these both are topic blocks, so please remember to do this as well. And the utility which I have used here is the topic block. So I have dragged and dropped topic block here, and I have selected these topic blocks. I have published this as well. Then you have to go to collaboration, and under that virtual agent, and you have to go to custom greetings and setup. In that you will see one out of the box default chat experience. In this you will have to scroll down at the bottom, and you can see the greeting value here. You go to this particular value, and you see here the setup topic is selected as greetings. We'll just change it to the one which we had created called the static greeting topic. I'll just update this here. And you can now see the greeting topic has been updated as static greeting topic. Now anyone who logs into the chatbot should see only these two topics. I'll go to service portal. I'll just click on the chatbot. So you can see here we did not get any greeting topic, hi, the name of the end user or anything, and we are not getting any show me everything button. I'll just click on hello world here, and you can see hello world has been printed, which was defined in the topic block. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. In case of any questions, please drop a comment. Thank you.